What's going on, guys? It's Nicole Charnel, and today's video is my 2-month update. That's 2-month update for my lock journey. So if you haven't seen my first video about how I'm locking my hair, you can click the eye up above or check the description bar down below and it's gonna have that video linked. And I am at the end of my 2 months. It's been 59 days today, so tomorrow will be 60 days, will be 2 months of me being locked. So I'm just gonna tell you about what's been going on and all that jazz. It's about the same length like when I stretch it out. So the length is about the same, so I haven't really gone through a lot of shrinkage. I really just mainly get shrinkage like when my hair is wet, like when I wash it. I am going through like a transition obviously in my hair, so like I can feel the difference in my hair, and like some of my ends feel like they're really close to locking. Some of it's budding and some of it's bunching, but I can definitely like feel the difference in my hair. It still feels moisturized, like I can feel the oils on it, but it's dry at the same time, and you can kind of feel in some spots like where the hair is kind of like entwined on itself and it's starting to like close up and form a little lock. So that's really exciting. The biggest exciting news about this journey is I've decided to interlock. I'm not gonna do, well, I am gonna still palm roll, but my roots I'm going to interlock. So if you don't know anything about interlocking, I'll link a video up in the cards as well as down below in the description box, basically kind of describing interlocking and how it's done. But you just use a tool and you kind of like sew your twist into the root, and it's a form of interlocking. It's a form of locking your hair. Mainly people who are doing sister locks use that method. There has been some mixed reviews on interlocking locks, but the cons to me don't outweigh the pros. The main pro I like is my hair stays looking fresh around the edges. I work out every day, so my hair sweats out. If I do a retwist and I exercise the next day, my retwist was gone. It was over. That was done, and my hair was just looking a mess again, and I was like, nah, we can't live like this. So I did some research and I decided that I'm going to interlock. I did that for the first time, and then I'm going to do it again this week. It's a long process, so I'm just going to do it over a course of days. That's what I did last month. So once again, I'm going to do it over the course of a few days and get it done. So far I like it. And I guess for the struggles, the cons of locking my hair are just the frizziness. I like but don't like frizziness. There's like a love-hate relationship there. I was never one of those naturals who wore big hair. I wasn't picking my hair out on the first day. I was enjoying the sleekness and the laid down look of my first day wash and go or my first day twist out. I was never that big hair natural, so frizz kind of bothers me, like low-key, like a little bit kind of gets to me. So the way my hair is looking now, like it's okay, like it's not terrible. Like I'll go out, but I will like slick down my baby hairs, which that is like a contrast. So when I was a loose natural, I never did the baby hair thing. Like I never really into it. The only time I really did my baby hairs was when I had like braids and like my edges would start to look rough, and then that's when I would do my baby hairs. But other than that, I really wasn't like that just wasn't my style. It wasn't my thing. So overall my hair doesn't look terrible, but it has a lot of frizz. My ends are just like open and loose. Like this one, it's just so free. Like, why are my ends so free? But to me, it's just like, it's just a lot of freeness, and I don't know if it's normal or not. I don't know. I'm just doing this based off of research, based off of my mom's hair, my sister's hair, which is both locked. My mom interlocks, my sister does retwist, so I'm just kind of going off of that and just going with the flow. I've always been like that, and I've done my own hair for like the past 10 plus years, so I don't want to pay the money, first of all. Second of all, I don't think I need to. Like, it's my hair. I can do it myself, and I'm okay with like my standards, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm cool with that and just doing my own hair. And then the other negative with my hair is because I'm interlocking and I'm new at it, there are some hairs or some locks in my head that I connected by accident. Like I said, I'm new at this. I'm new at interlocking, so I kind of just watched videos, did some research, and then taught myself. And overall, it was a great experience. It was just when I accidentally interlocked two locks together, but the base of my locks are just together, and I'm gonna have to separate them. So, which I'm gonna probably have to cut them because of how thick it is. Like, I can't pull it apart. I'm just gonna have to cut it. That kind of sucks. But at the same time, that's what happens when you do your own hair and you're not a professional. You have downs, you know. But I can get over it. I'll get past that. So overall, the journey is going really well. I'm loving it. I need to definitely wash my hair every 2 weeks. I didn't do that this month. I basically went the whole month without washing my hair, which I'm not feeling it. I feel like I have a lot of dandruff. It's less than last month, but I still feel it's like it's a lot, and my hair is just too itchy. I moisturize my scalp, I spray water, I put castor oil on my hair. That's it. So I know it's not an irritation, it's just itchy from my hair just being dirty and exposed to the elements. Definitely going to do 2-week washes, and then of course 4-week retwist or interlocking sessions. So that's how it's going, guys. I'll show you my hair up close and show you the situation, but so far I'm liking it, and I think it looks really cute. I like how it still has some body, but it's flat enough for me, but it still has some body, some texture. I think that's one of the things I don't like about locks, is how sometimes they just look so straight and so uniform. So like adding texture to it, 2-strand twist outs and stuff like that to your locks, I could see myself being into that because of how straight they can be. But right now they're kind of still in that in-between state, so I like it. Like I said, guys, don't judge my dandruff, okay? I gotta wash my hair, okay? So that is my 2-month lock update. I think the pros are going to outweigh the cons for right now for me interlocking my hair, and I think I'm just going to stick with that for a little bit. So far so good. If you enjoyed this video, you might also want to check out my previous video about why I locked my hair and my first month of my hair being locked. I'll make sure I link that on the screen as well as down below in the description box. And I also have tons of other videos on natural hair before, when I was a loose natural, basically up until now. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Also, subscribe to my channel if you want to become a part of the fam, and hit that little bell so you can get notified when I make new videos. I make videos about health and fitness as well as intentional living and minimalism. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!